Hey there, tech-savvy friends. We all know that in our bustling African lives, sometimes it's just more convenient to shoot a quick text instead of making that phone call, especially when you're out and about. But dealing with Siri, Apple's personal assistant, can sometimes feel like a real hassle. Siri responding to you out loud in public can sometimes be very embarrassing. So if you'd also like to keep your conversations with Siri private, this video is for you. So, how do you do it? Easy peasy. You can mute Siri by enabling the Type to Siri feature, and we'll show you how it's done. First things first, open up the settings on your device. Whether you're rocking an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, it's the same deal. No stress. On your Mac, you can find System Settings, either on the dock or by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings. For iPhone or iPad users, you can spot the Settings app either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Now, let's dive in a bit deeper. Scroll down on the left sidebar until you see Accessibility and click on Siri. You're almost there. Now, just toggle the switch next to the Type to Siri option to activate it. From this point on, whenever you summon Siri, your device will pop up a text box, and you can type your requests instead of talking. See? We told you, it's a piece of cake. Tech doesn't have to be rocket science. It can be a breeze. If you want to stay in the loop with the latest tech hacks, head over to TechMoran website. We've got you covered. Subscribe now and never miss out on the tech trends that matter to us.